back to YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of POV Street Photography. Today I'm going to be in a more urban location inside of Washington DC, away from the monuments, away from all that other crazy stuff. So let's see how that goes. The city actually seems to be a bit alive today, so hopefully that leads to some good photos. I'm hoping to get out of here with at least 5 to 6 photos today, good ones that I like. But like baseball, I guess you could say, photography is a very unpredictable thing. So sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Like if you see my last episode, I don't know, it just wasn't it, Chiefs. But hey, maybe today's the day. So let's get right to it. Alright, so today I'm going to be using my Sony a7R III with the Sigma 85mm f1.4. So time to go looking for some photos. Could have gotten a photo there, but I was still set up in video mode, and by the time I get my camera up, it'll have been too late. It would have looked at me and it would have been awkward. I think I had a cool hat, so there was photo number 1 of the day. That guy's hat, so got a photo of that. Ooh. That was a cool shot. The dog. Any photo that includes a dog is a good photo. I don't care what anyone says. Sometimes the 85mm works, sometimes it doesn't. In this situation, it's not working out too well. Might be switching it out for the 35mm here in a little bit. There's that guy again. That's the shot. I got it. Heck yeah. I think I'm about to switch out to the 85mm. So, let's go ahead and switch it out. Alright, so I noticed right before I ended that last clip that I said that I was going to be switching over to the 85mm. I definitely meant the 35. But anyways, getting on with the video. So, one thing that I've noticed is getting more and more common around here in DC is a homeless problem. Like, come on, DC. You're supposed to be the representation of what America should strive to be. But, anyways. just made 3 photos right there. So sometimes I get in a roll where I'll take a couple photos back to back and they'll all be pretty good. So like right there, that was one of those moments. It's gonna be a good photo right here. Pretty soon here I'm gonna need to take a break, grab some water because it's pretty hot out here. Not so much that it's hot, but it's a little humid. And all I had to drink earlier today was 2 coffees. And that ain't it, chief. I don't think he even noticed. It's a pretty cool shot. That's the cool thing about shooting nowadays. Everyone's around wearing their face mask because of the you know what. But the reason why I'm saying the you know what is because if this video ever gets monetized, I don't want it to get demonetized. So we're just gonna call it the you know what. The big C word. 19 type. I've always wanted to eat here. One of these days I'm gonna have to bring my wife. They're in Blue Hour with all the neon signs it has. Looks freaking dope. This is dope.
There was no time to eat, she said to me, boy, hurry to some.
It's a pretty cool looking moped. Ain't gonna lie.
Find it.
I wonder what that's for. Looks dope though. I feel like a lot of people are in a good mood today. It's good. It's good. This place looks dope. The Big Hunt. It's a piano bar. It says it's open, but I really don't think it's open. Maybe it is. Back at this corner right here, told y'all 35 millimeter I'd be back. Alright. Let's see. I really like this place, I don't know. Must be the color or something like this. That was a pretty cool photo right there that I just made. One thing I do miss is absolute rush, hustle and bustle of the city. I'll come back out here on Tuesday, see if it's any different. It is a Saturday, so we'll see. That's another banger right there, for sure. L Street. It's L Street, but today we're not taking L's with photography. Those red bikes really stand out, so I think that was just perfect timing. That's a pretty good shot right there, too. It's got to be the coolest looking pot belly in the entire DC area. I don't know, I just like the old school feel to it. So, moving on. Alright, so I think I'm about to end the video right there. I got a lot of content. That's a lot of photos I'm gonna have to go through. Not only that, but I'm pretty tired. I've been up since 4 a.m. and my feet are just killing me. I've walked a lot today. So, till the next episode, see ya.